Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to check text spelling in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select this menu option, edit option this menu bar, and here you will find this check spelling option. Simply click on this check spelling and showing this dialog box. You can ignore or ignore all, and one by one what now showing here you can correction it, also you can ignore or you can change. And see this, in this way you can change all of your text and correct it. Ignore, and here you can change and you can correct all your all of your text. And see this, in this way you can ignore or change. And see this, all of your text here you can change text spelling. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.